Joe Courtney, and this is my E12. I've had it a couple of years now. I bought it in Holland. I spent a couple of years looking for one. I wanted a pre-facelift shape, and I wanted to sort of be a little bit different by having the early pre-facelift E12. So it's the smaller backlights. I love to be left-hand drive as well, because I wanted to put a different engine in, and it gives you more sort of possibilities, because they've got no steering rack in the way and things like that, or column, should I say. I always wanted a red one, so I found a red one in Holland, went over there, left in my deposit and got it delivered back. It's 1973. They've got the bonnet, which is part of the wing on the side. It's got the flat bonnet, so it's a pre-facelift car. They did 3 types of bonnets on them. This is a carburettor version. They got the smaller rear light units, so the later E12 had a little bit bigger, and the E28 they got a bit bigger again. It's got the full chrome on the side, so like on the B pillars. I fitted an E34 M5 engine, a 3.8. Fitted a carbon airbox onto it. Did general maintenance things, changed the timing chain, and you had to put an E12 sump on it, all sorts of wiring. Did the exhaust system. It's got a custom manifold on it. E28 rear axle, wheelwood front brakes, E34 M5 rear brakes, a Recaro interior, the CAE shifter. It's really cool. The driving experience is epic. The noise is so intoxicating. It's got the carbon airbox, so when you actually give it some, you can really hear it go. Being left-hand drive as well is a little bit quirky. Yeah, love it.
The Jag's battery, so this is an E28 1986 518. I bought the car just before lockdown in February. It was a bit of a state. Basically, the guy who originally bought the car, he passed away 14 years ago, and his wife put the car in the garage, put some covers over it, and then unfortunately she passed away in 2018, and her nephew inherited the car. So he pulled the car out of the garage, put it through an MOT, and then I went over there and bought the car. All I've done to the car is basically put it on a custom air ride that I've built myself, BBS RS 17 step to 18s, custom turbo fans that again I've built myself. I've done the interior, recolonized the interior. I was a bit skeptical with the air ride, but it's all right. It's all right. The first couple of weeks I was a bit nervous running on air ride, but it's fine. There's nothing to it. It's a nice car to drive. I like it. Well, I always loved an E28. Basically, my uncle, he used to have these back in the 90s, 80s, and I remember as a little kid sitting in the car with him and taking a drive. So it was a bit of a tribute to him as well, and plus getting back into an old school 5 Series. As you know, my E30 has been off the road for a few years now. I need to get that back on the road. But yeah, so this is a little thing that just kept me busy through lockdown, really.
About a year and a half ago, during COVID and the lockdown, I used to be on Facebook pages, and I said to these guys, you know what, I think we should set something up just for, old school BMWs. So we called it Old Skool Zimmers, and then it kind of just exploded, and we've got like 19,000 members now, and this is our first show. So we worked with Raj at Car Audio Security, put everything together, and this is, we've had a really great turnout. It's been phenomenal. Love it. I think the journey here is getting all these people together. Look, I mean, it's not sunny. Some people say it's raining, I'm not going to bring my car out. We've got 60 cars out here, right, in the rain, and people have made the effort to turn up. Yeah. And it gives us the opportunity to meet people that that interact with us on social media, right? But they know who you are, but we know them by their cars. So I know that car, the owner's standing there, so that's my car. So, Budgie, I didn't know who you was, but and I think that's the beauty of it. What we all kind of decided when we were sitting down with Raj is what are we going to do, and what charity. And I think choosing Mind with mental health was just a natural choice.
Definitely.
Yeah, for 100%. us. Yeah, for us all. And I think with mental health, it's not
it's a silent killer, right?
It is, and everyone's been affected by it.
We know COVID. You got a cough, you got a fever, you got you loss of strength, etc. but people in isolation, on their own, not being able to see loved ones, elderly. All this is affecting the mind, and it's something that you can't see outwardly. Someone might not be coughing, but inside their mind, you don't know what's going on. And actually, the suicide rates have gone sky high. People are not talking about it, and this is why we went with this, didn't we?
A natural choice.
And we all know someone's been affected by it, or you know.
And he's a bit bargle as well, isn't it? So.
Our mum's going to be.
That's right. Yeah,
exactly. But we all know someone's been affected by it, so it's important that we do it.
Is.
Stage has been affected since he bought the E24, but well, that's understandable, right?
Yeah, that's true. On a serious note, I think this raised awareness, and I think if we talk about it as a community, especially if we bring a cultural aspect, we don't talk about it. So having stuff like this raises awareness, but also opens a door, and it's all right to say to someone that I'm not feeling, 100%.
It's doubly bad for us because men don't like to speak about stuff because we're all heroes. And then Asians again, it's a double whammy for us. Everyone's been cooped up because of lockdown, and this is almost like a relief to just do something normal, something where you don't have to worry about this, that, and the other, and just coming out and meeting people, appreciating cars. It's been such a nice, release of just that pressure and
I agree.
Just being under lockdown and stuff.
Yeah, and I also think it's never easy to choose cars for shows, and what we wanted to kind of do is, if they're not chosen this time, you give them a chance next time. This isn't about who spent the most money on a car, right? And I think you notice that with the older cars, right?
That's Tej, right?
This is more so about being inclusive, and I think watch out for the next show, and hopefully get some more.
Yeah, it don't matter. We've got people here from all walks of life, all races, so it's all inclusive here. That's the main thing.
Exactly.
The only thing is BMs, right? The love of BMs runs through the veins.
Is for the £100 voucher donated kindly by Raj from Car Audio Security. So this is like the lottery. So I want you to mix it up and then pull one number out. One number.
I'll email that.
And who is that? Let's take a look.
16.
So that is right. So number 16, which is TJ. Ta-ta-ja-ja. So who's TJ? Oh, hey! Well done, TJ.
Thank you.
100 quid, but you've got to spend £10,000 on all 100 quid.
Expires today.
Number 16, thank you, TJ. There's a gift vouchers. Let's just get a picture. Yeah, just stay here. Any more little young'uns? I sing. Right, so we get a little sing. So this one is going to be for BMR, the £100 voucher for oil leaks, most probably, knowing our cars. So pull one out, sing. No, that's not my one. 26. So who's 26? That's my age, funnily enough. That is Jeanette Cooper! Oh, the coffee lady! Where's Jeanette?
She's got a Land Rover.
Oh, air service anything knowing him. Where is she? Is she serving coffee? Alright, okay, well we'll whip that 100 quid over to her. I've got the phone number now. Over to you again then. So this is for the, what?
Wireless tracker.
The wireless tracker. Let's take a look at him and go, lovely. Courtesy of Cam from Cam Ice.
Wave.
There he is. Mr. I'll roll down a big look. Right, who do we have here? Oh, we dropped it there, don't we? Number 79, and that is, gin. Named after a drink. Gin?
Ticket number.
Oh, ticket number, come on, mate. 79.
You got a number yet?
Is anyone here or do I have to draw again? Okay, so this one is going to be for 3 waxes. Where are the waxes? They're over there. Over there. Oh, no, I think she sold them with the samosas. Right, okay, pull out again. Yeah, shake it up. Shake it up. Oh, that's it.
Only one.
Anyone? Who's that? All right, so Darren, 73. Oh, we've got to have some non-Asian winning something around here. Where's Darren? Darren!
Rocky Arby, Darren.
Maybe Darren G. Okay. No?
No. Right, so they're for the waxes.
They're for the waxes. All right. All right. So we've got a detailing kit now, courtesy of Cos. Pull up again. Right, number 93, and that is Luke.
Yeah, we got someone.
Ah, someone Caucasian. Hey, Luke. Lovely, lovely. Right, so
Yours will follow. Yeah, you of course I know.
yeah, of course it's in there.
But let's say
You will get it. Don't worry. I think from Elite Car Care, of course, will get it sent out to you. Brilliant. Thank you. We'll get a picture anyway, bruv. There's actually one more thing we're going to do. It's actually a rolling road day by Vara Technic. There he is. You may recognise him from Desi Mongrels. I mean Rascals. All right. So what we're going to do? We're going to organise a rolling road, but we're going to actually do it at a discounted price. Oh, is it 50 rupees or 50 pounds? 50 pound. Okay, right. So I'm going to put dates up there, but that's a discounted price. But the ticket I'm going to roll out from here, he's actually gone, or he or she, let's be inclusive, is going to get their rolling road done free. Is that right, Sanj? Yeah. Power run. Okay, right.
Might be a difference.
You got to sign a form there. If anything breaks, it's not your responsibility, right? Okay.
But we know good guys.
I hope this person's got a car. Right. Right, 61. Oh my God.
No, you can't have that.
Go on, have that. It's bloody Vara Technic. Now you know it's real. Right, okay, let's do it again. Brilliant. There's two. Oh no, you would get that's not really no. Verdi, Jasmine, number 1. Well, here we go. Oh, I'll definitely get the photo here. Jasmine, you have got a motor, right?
Pardon?
You have got a car, right?
My husband does.
Oh, your husband does. Okay. Where's your husband? Bring him over.
Get Cully over.
Cully.
Come on.
Come over here. Don't be shy. You go. Come on. Dugu. He's got the yellow E30, right? There you go.
That's what happened.
Get a picture.
Smart.
Just like their wedding day.
Pushing on.
Alright, again, so now we have done everything, so thanks again. And like I said, I'm going to put the date of the rolling road up, so if you can attend, that's going to be in Vara Technic in Ashford, Middlesex. But again, thank you to Raj, thank you to everyone else who has kind of helped, and some final words for the man himself.
The main man. Round of applause for Robert.
Thank you all for coming. Thanks for Cab and the team for organising this fantastic event. Obviously the weather didn't hold out, but you all turned up in mass. We will hold another event at some point, if you want to. Of course. Maybe car and curry. Curry. I think everyone will be up for a curry. So thanks for coming. Appreciate you all coming down, and hopefully enjoy the event. Let's have a round of applause for Roy. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you.